Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math. Question number 38. The ratio of the ages of Li Lei to Han Mei Mei is 5 to 4. 李雷和韩梅梅的年龄的比例是5 to 4. In 12 years time, 在12年之后 the ratio of the ages of Li Lei to Han Mei Mei will be 8 to 7. 12年以后，他们的年龄比例是8比7。How old will Li Lei be in 5 years' time? Will be 5 years' time. So if now Li Lei, Han Mei Mei, ages in ratio of 5 to 4. Li Lei 5x, Han Mei Mei 4x, and 12 years later, Li Lei, Han Mei Mei, (8 to 7). We assume that Li Lei will be 8y years old and Han Mei Mei will be 7y years old. That means 12 years later, 5x plus 12 equals 8y. And Han Mei Mei's age, 4x plus 12 equals 7y. All right? And if you minus these two, and you can see x equals y. Okay? This is equation 1, this is equation 2, and use 1 minus 2, 5x plus 12 minus left hand side minus 4x plus 12. Right hand side, 8y minus 7y. X equals y. So 8y equals 8x, 7y equals 7x. That means 8y, 8x minus 5x. Age of Li Lei in 12 years' time, 8x. 5x is the Li Lei's present age. Equals 12. 3x equals 12. X equals 4. Okay? Also y equals 4. And how old is Li Lei now? 5x. Li Lei's current age, 20. And in 5 years' time, 20 plus 5, 25. Li Lei will be 25 years old in 5 years' time. Answer is 25. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.